We're going to be talking about OpenDAO. This is a project that's taking the NFT world by storm. We're going to look at what it is, how you can get involved, and what it could look like in the future. So if you go to the OpenDAO.com, you can see that it is rewarding the token to the largest NFT community to pay tribute, to protect, and promote. What does that mean? If you've done anything on OpenSea, you're able to connect your wallet and be able to get a token based on the level of transactions that you have done on the platform. The first question is, does this have to do anything with OpenSea itself? Are they promoting this? No, this project is separate. This is done by a number of contributors. And so when we look at this, remember, OpenSea does not have direct access. They have nothing to do with this. So what exactly is this project? Why are they doing this? Well, it shows the introduction of OpenDAO. It mentions the reason they did this was because they're grateful to all the NFT creators, collectors, and markets for nurturing the entire NFT ecosystem. Special thanks to OpenSea for its leadership in promoting NFT trading. To pay tribute, we have chosen OpenSea collectors to conduct our airdrop. So again, once you're going on the website and you're going to connect your wallet, they're going to airdrop you a certain amount of tokens and be able to claim this. So you're going to connect your wallet, then you're going to see your reward, and and then you can initiate your claim. From there, you're going to see what the tokens are worth, and you can look at this on CoinGecko of what's going on in real time, how much it's worth. And then also too, on Dune, you can see what's going on with how much it's claimed so far, what's going on with the projections. So we're going to go into that in a little bit in just a moment. Also to note, you can look at how do I even say this? I just looked it up. So the key opinion leaders, the Coles, right here, you can see who the influencers are, who are promoting it, all of those things. And then you're going to be on the right side, you're going to see the token distribution and how it's going to be done, right? And what I would do is I'm going to put a link down below so you can actually see this great infographic and everything right here to see the breakdown and all the necessities going forward. Now, the question is, what does this have to do with you? Who is this for? Again, if you've done anything on OpenSea, you can connect your account and you're going to be airdropped that certain amount of tokens. And we're actually seeing per day right now, I think they said about 77% have claimed. Yeah, for the airdrop claim right here, they're at 77%. Right now, this is on December 27th. So a lot has been happening very quickly with this project. This goes back to you. What are you trying to do? Some people are holding and seeing how big this project is going to go. Some people, you can already look at the transactions on Dune. You're going to be able to see what people are doing with this project and what's happening. Depends on what you're trying to do. Really influences you. Are you going to be buying more? Are you going to be selling? What I would do is do your research, look at some of the key indicators in the analytics found on Dune, and start making a plan what you want to do long term. Don't be reactive and just be like, well, I've got to buy more tokens, I've got to sell. Think about what your goal is, what you think about the project, and also who is behind the project to make a great decision. If you want more news like this, or if you have questions, remember in the comment section down below, we're going to be doing stories like this just to make sure that you're up to date with what's happening in the NFT and Web3 space. And if you like this content, make sure that you like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.